Who that look like Keisha?
Yes, it's me, Keshia, Millicent. It's me, Keshia. Oh, the Freedom Street Party. You know, you everybody a talk about it, girl.
Yeah.
Boy, me glad say me make it. Me glad me make it down there. Because me who no want to hear people a talk. I don't have nothing to say about it. Me glad me go down there for myself, girl. Well, it never so hot, you know? But, True is a person what we love. We love the Gaza man. Yes, we love him. And they love and support the people them come out for. It wasn't all about the performance, Millicent. It was about the love and support for the man. Yes. But girl, back to Femi and your story. Yes, let me tell you about the man about come down for carry me go at the show. Girl, when me see the man, I tell you, no like people where you see on video call because when you see them in person are two different things. Girl, the man belly big so like in swallow and play mate. Let me say Jesus Christ. Him turn me off because you don't know me already. Me not like big belly man. I don't care where I'm from him belly big, me not gonna like him. Because due to how fit me belly bang, me no want a big belly man. Two big belly people can't get together, man. No, man. But girl, that is not even the beginning of what took place. Well, and there. Why Millicent you love people business doing? Girl, let me show you a this a bag me carry with me. Because you don't know me a hustler already. So me make sure I can want change your clothes. That's if anything happen. Me change right there. So we must find somewhere to change. Me not go nowhere without my change your clothes. I have to tell you what buckle me see them a drink and throw away. Girl, me just go so boop boop and knock me head and say, brain come up. And when the brain chip in, me say, no man. Then after me squander half Samantha money when me get, how me see buckle a dash and no say a $30 for one dege buckle. Girl, let me show you the amount of buckle when me take up. See there, wait, buckle, not let me show you. Me say, buckle, oh Lord. So, I don't have the depot. Me a run go change them out and see how much me can collect because I know me no count the buckle they be too old enough. And me say, a good thing say, me did have scratchy phone number in a me phone. I hear me call fi draw down the pro box and come collect the buckle them for me. And when Scratchy come and me throw them in at the back and jump in there because me couldn't even make nobody know say I'm me. Girl, when me change over, eh? In a me skettle clothes and put on me darkers. Because me no want nobody know say I'm me Keshia. Me Keshia. Me Keshia. I pick up buckle. But I couldn't make it past me. Cause you don't know me a hustle already. Me hustling in all different farm away. I mean I silly hustling. I pass and make it go on. Eh? Just because and say me dress up and look good. No, that I know me. Me have to find ways how to make money cause time hard. And Samantha have to eat. So girl, and as you know, The ear when me did go look but it never pleased me. The woman put on the wig for my head. And when she put it on, it leaned so. Me know say a bad mind she have. Because me never see that yet before. All the put she a put on wig for me head it and good. And just because she know say me a go Freedom Street party, she catch the wig for me head. Me girl me have to take off it. And that's why you see me in this piece of whole shakalak here. Because the good wig. When me take me $300 and buy, the woman not pile up the wig. Because she put one big cutty in her head and it not tan good. I said, I tell you, yeah, man. But you see, true a day me go all the while go do me here. Me no want me and her fall out, you know? Me no know if a bad mind she have or she did have too much head fear do. You understand? Because I saw them time, you know. If you know you have an appointment for me, not shove me in and then you mash up me here. Eh? Why me I tell you, say me lose me I tell you, man. But away from that, me enjoy myself. Yes, me enjoy myself. So, alright, me will see you then you're here because me don't know how you love people business. So, me go change out my buckle then so me will tell you how much me get from it. Okay? Alright. And thank you here. Oh, Samantha up a yard there, man. Him father up there with him. What are the father them? Me so sort out the rightful bird paper, but through me they pass some money making thing because as you know say, me want go all this small island. So me want see how much money me can collect in. Yes. Because due to how me can't go at the big foreign, me I go try go at one small one. Me just want to fly pan plane. Me just want to know say me fly pan plane. You understand what me I tell you? Alright.